Hello and welcome to KahindoTech. In this video, I'll show you how to name a group chat on Instagram. Let's begin. First, open up your Instagram app. Once you have it open, you should start from the home page. If you're on the home page, and you can tell that by this icon being dark, okay? And if you're not, click on that button, it will take you to your home page. Once there, look on the upper right hand corner, so over here. Do you see this icon right here? It's like a angle pointing arrow. Click on that. All right, it will take you here. So here, once you get here, this is all like your messages. You should have created the group already. And if you don't know how to do that, look, ask me in the comment section, and I'll give you the link to the video that I've created showing how to create groups. Okay. Once you have created a group, it should appear here. Once it's here, you'll be able to name it. So to name a group, first find it, and I'll name this particular group over here, okay? And I'll start by clicking on the group. Once I've clicked on it, if you look up here where it says the names of the group members, tap there. So tap somewhere over here. Okay, it will take you here to the details. Once here, if you can see right here where it says add a name, you want to tap right there. And then you'll be able to set the name for this group. So let me just say YouTube test group. Okay. After you have typed in the name, look over here on the upper right hand corner. Click on where it says done so you can save the changes that you have made. Okay. And there you go. Yeah, save the name. So that's how you name a group on Instagram. If you have any other questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and definitely subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.